Hello everyone, this is Revathi working as an assistant professor in Information Technology from SNS College of Engineering. In my previous video, we have seen about types of topologies available in the computer networks. Here in this video, we are going to see about types of networks in the computer networks. Let us start with the network types. There are three types of networks available in the computer networks. There are local area network, that is also called as LAN, then wide area networks, that is called also called as WAN, then metropolitan area networks, also called as MAN. Let us start with local area network or LAN, privately owned and connects some host in a single office or building or campus. Example for this one is inside the college or inside a gated community houses. Then each host in the LAN has the identifier and address that uniquely identifies the host in the LAN. Uh, Commonly, the system will have two types of addressing. First one is IP address, that is called Internet Protocol address, that is static address. Then the another one is MAC address, medium access control address, or logical address. It is dynamically changed because it is allocated by the hardware manufacturer. Then in the past, all the hosts in a network were connected through a common cable, which meant that a packet sent from one host to another was received by all the hosts. The intended recipient kept the packet, the other dropped the packet. Then today, most LAN use the smart connecting switches, which is able to recognize the destination address of the packet and guide the packet to its destination without any traffic or congestion control from the other systems. Then the second one is LANs are distinguished from the other types of networks by the transmission media and its topologies used by the LAN. Commonly, it will use the topologies are star, maze, bus, and ring topologies. The common topology are bus, ring, and star. Here, there are only three topologies are used. Then early LAN has data rates in 4 to 16 megabits per second range. Today, however, speeds are normally 100 to 1000 megabits per second or even gigabits. Then wireless LANs are newest evaluation in the LAN technology. Here the figure will explain about the LAN connection. Here the host is available and also a switch is available for transmission of data. Then a cable tab is also available and a cable end is also available. The common cable is denoted by the dot line and a simple connection is denoted by a thin line. Then the second one is wide area network. A WAN has a wider graphical span spanning a town, a state, or a country, or even the world. A LAN interconnects hosts, a WAN interconnects connecting devices such as switches, routers, or modems. A LAN is normally privately owned by the organization that uses it. A WAN is normally created and run by communication companies and leased by an organization that uses around the world. Then the types of WANs are point-to-point WANs and switched WAN. Here the diagram will describe about point-to-point WAN. A point-to-point WAN is a network that connects two communicating devices through a transmission medium. That means cable or in the air. Then the point-to-point WAN is normally a line leased from a telephone or cable TV provider that connects a home computer or a small LAN to an internet service provider. Then the second one is switched WAN. A switched WAN is a network with more than two ends. A switched WAN is used in the backbone of global communication today. We can say that a switched WAN is a combination of several point-to-point WANs that are connected by switches. Then the third one is metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network is also called as MAN. It is a network with a size between a LAN and a WAN. It is normally covers area inside a town or a city. It is distinguished from customers who need a high speed connectivity, normally to the internet, and have endpoints spread over a city or a part of the city. A good example of man part of the telephone company network that can provide a high speed line to the user. Then the internet, who two or more networks are connected, like internetwork or internet, in order to transmit the data from source to destination. Thank you.